What's going on YouTube? It is your boy Brandon. I'm coming to you guys with a brand new video. And today, we're installing some MUGEN pieces. I actually got it on the side outside, but I need to flip the car around so I can be able to jack it up. So let's get this thing flipped around and let's get it jacked up. So this is pretty much the lip right here. This is obviously a MUGEN kit. Basically, this is like an overlay lip. So what it's gonna do, it's gonna sit on top of the OEM lip right here, which hopefully everything does fit because I had to try to test fit it and it wasn't looking too pretty. But hopefully everything is nice and smooth. But let's try to put it on. So I got the car all jacked up, and pretty much what you're gonna want to take off when you go down here is this one right here. So we're kind of looking from the front, kind of where like this little bend is, but you just go over a little bit. It's gonna be that one, and then the same thing on the other side. So you're gonna take them off, and then that's pretty much where the new one from MUGEN is gonna go in. So I got the other side on, but I'm gonna put this side on. The other side, I guess, was just kind of to teach myself how to do it because instructions are in Japanese, and I don't speak Japanese. So pretty much what you're gonna do is kind of test fit it on there. I'm scratching a little bit, and take the OEM screw off. Take that off there. Then what you're gonna do is put it back on. You're pretty much gonna line it up to where the old one is. But I already know how to do that, so I'm gonna take this back off. If I can. And you're gonna get your screws for the top one. You're gonna make one for a fastener. Oh, you guys can't really see that, huh? You're gonna make it for a fastener, and then you're gonna put one right there. They provide you. So let's kind of put that in. That, and then you're gonna get your little fastener, which looks like that, and you're gonna pretty much put it on. So mine's a little tricky because it still isn't big enough for the drill bit. You're gonna kind of squish it in there and work your way around. Oh yeah, and pretty much it's in. Now you're gonna pretty much put everything back how it's supposed to go. Grab your screws. Sorry if you guys can hear that background noise too. But they provide you with like a little washer. So you put your washer with your big screw. You kind of want to line it up to the bottom. One. Start threading that one in. Start threading the top one in. Ever so slightly. Just like that. So pretty much you're gonna screw it all back together now. As tight as you can, obviously. And then this one. Oh, you don't want to do that. Pretty much. Now that's not gonna go anywhere. Whew. A little scary drilling into that, but everything should be good. Now we're gonna go back to the middle. I'll show you guys what to do in the middle. I got the front one on, and it looks pretty darn good. I'm actually really liking it. Now it's time to put the side ones on. I'm not gonna show you guys until I can get it all on, but now to put the side ones on. Hell yeah. Get the fronts on. Pretty much you wanna, what I'm gonna have to do is take off my wheels, because I'm gonna have to drill another hole onto the thing here, so let's go ahead and take them off. Rubbing a little tire there. Jeez. To set it all up is pretty simple. You just want to mock it up. You're gonna want to take a tiny little drill right there. This one should go here like that once you're done there. So we're gonna drill this in, make sure everything's all good. Start a little pilot hole. Once you get done up there, you're gonna want to like punch 3 holes into it, so drill into it again, and then hopefully everything should stay in. But I mean, pretty much this is all perfect fitment, but it's looking pretty darn good so far. Gee. Oh my god, I finally got it done and I beat the sun. But just look at that. Oh my god, that is so fire. Car's a little dirty, need to get a little wash, but dude, the fucking fitment is just perfect. Like, it's on there too, it's not gonna go anywhere. Oh my god, hell yeah. But dude, I've wanted these fucking side skirts for so long. Now I'm finally able to get them. So clean. All right, let's clean this all up now. It's about, god, a day or 2 later since I filmed the last piece of this. The kit looks freaking amazing. I'm getting a lot of comments on the kit. It stands out a lot, but at the same time it also looks OEM, so like it looks really good. I know I'm missing the rear piece, so I'm planning to get the rear piece pretty soon, but currently I'm just gonna deal with having the front and the side skirts and just get the rears whenever I can. So yeah, don't roast me for not having the rear piece, because I'm not gonna have it probably till like a couple months or so. But yeah, I mean, a lot's been going on since I haven't been able to upload the videos or the vlogs with it. There's gonna be a little change of pace of a lot of things, and you guys probably will notice it a lot. I just don't want to talk about it, but you guys probably will notice it. There's gonna be a big change on the channel, and hopefully hopefully it still has a good impact. Hopefully the channel still does good. But yeah, a lot of things are changing, so we'll see how it all goes. I'm excited for the future of what's to bring. Hopefully this channel can continue to grow. I'm still going to release the 11 Gen shirts, so if you guys are not aware of it, I'm going to put the shirts up right here. I'm going to be dropping the 11 Gen shirts. It's going to be fire. It's going to be dank. I'm trying to, I have a picture of them like on the black colorway, but I want to do like a cream colorway too, or maybe just a cream colorway, or like an off-white colorway, because I feel like the car will pop a lot more on that color. So we'll see how that goes, but currently black looks like where it's going. I can't seem to find any cream color shirts that are in stock, so we'll probably just have to deal with the black. But yeah, I mean, the top bar is coming along a lot well. There's a couple of more things that I want. Obviously I want the rear MUGEN piece, the rear MUGEN spat. I guess that's kind of what it is, right? And then a bigger wing, and possibly wrap the car. So we'll see how it all goes. I'm excited for it. You know, there's a lot of things coming for the channel. If you guys are brand new here, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you guys have not already. Thank you guys for the love and support. I know I haven't been able to vlog recently or make any videos, but I've just been super tied up. So we're back into making the videos, and I hope you guys are just ready. So see you later. Peace.